YouTubers are a pretty big part of the watch niche, especially now. I mean, from when I started, 4 or 5 years ago to now, the amount of watch YouTubers has grown exponentially. And that is fantastic because it means that more people are in the watch community. And the reason that people like watch YouTubers is because they give an opinion. They're not just a marketing branch of a brand. They genuinely care about the product. Not only do they care, but they genuinely know the product. In fact, I would actually go as far to say that some YouTubers know the product better than the new people coming into the genuine brand, because they've got more experience with watches out with just that one brand, and they know what works. Every person as well within this niche, in the YouTube niche, has a different personality, and that allows you to connect with your person within the space. And it's really interesting to see YouTubers collaborate with watch brands, because oftentimes their personality is reflected into the watch. I mean, let's look at Andrew Morgan for an example. He's a brilliant presenter, brilliant script writer, and he actually writes books as well, but he's highly complex. And as a result, he designed this. This is the Christopher Ward red one, and it does reflect a lot of Andrew's personality within the watch. Taking a step further than that, we've got Teddy Baldassar. He designed this, the RGM 501 TB edition, and it does scream Teddy. It's very classic, very clean. And now we get to Adrian Barker. He has been one of the watch daddies in the industry for such a long time now. He's a friend that we can all rely on to sit back, relax, and enjoy after a long week. Have a coffee, chill out, learn about watches. And over his years of doing this, it's weird to say, but I think I've known Adrian for 4 or 5 years, and he was doing it way before I was. Over his years of doing this, he's learned a lot about watches. And that brings me nicely onto this. This is the Christopher Ward C60 Trident Lumière Green 15 Bark and Jack edition. Now, it's actually quite interesting. The goal here from Adrian was to create the ultimate sports watch, a model that can be put through the wars, accompany you anywhere and live to tell the tale, while still retaining a ton of the functionality of a phenomenal dive watch. And at a first glance, you might think that watch, that is so very Adrian. Perhaps a little bit boring, but oftentimes boring is better. And actually, when you dig into the features, it's anything but boring. Okay, so let's just get this out of the case at the moment. So the first thing that we're going to cover is the special features that are on this watch that Adrian himself has put on them, and then we'll go through the specs, and then we'll go why I think this watch is special. So this Green 15's bezel, as the name suggests, has different colors of lume. So up to the 15-minute point, it is green, and then after that, it is blue. And the lume on this dial, and this model actually in general, is absolutely incredible. It's so bright. The dial on this model is a matte black dial that almost looks sandblasted. It has kind of a granular texture to it. But interestingly, one of the most cool features, apart from the case back, but we'll get onto that in a second, has to be at the 6 o'clock mark. And actually in this light, I see nothing. It just looks like a Christopher Ward. But when you shine a UV light on this model, you see the Bark and Jack logo illuminated. Something that can only be uncovered with UV light. And I love that. Sometimes brands go way overboard with the branding of a limited edition. They plaster logos all over it, and it just becomes a little bit too much. But this watch, this is only for people that are in the know. Now, interestingly, I didn't actually realize this until Adrian and I were filming this watch in Glencoe. And we essentially went up a mountain, and the snow, rain, and ice hit us. We were soaked after it. So we decided to come down and film just next to a river in Glencoe. It was stunning. But he flipped the watch round and he actually brought out a penknife. Now, the penknife was his grandfather's penknife, and the texture on that penknife is replicated on the back of this watch. You know, oftentimes, guys, I say that watches are about memories, and people moan at me. They say, oh, shut up. But if they're not about memories, if they're not about sentimental attachment, then what are they about? Because everyone has a phone, everyone can tell the time. So what are they about really? And I think the fact that Adrian has put a little bit of his family heritage, you could say, on the back of this watch, it really means a lot. Also, the fact that it's just a cool pattern is, I mean, that probably helps. Also, of course, on the back, you have the Bark and Jack logo. And now for the specifications. So this watch comes in at 41 millimeters in diameter. It comes in at height of 10.85 millimeters, so it's pretty beautifully thin for the water resistance and also for the power reserve. It has a lug-to-lug of 47.9 millimeters, a lug width of 22 millimeters. It weighs 105 grams with the bracelet, but 77 grams with the strap. And remember, this is in full titanium. It has a water resistance of 300 meters, has a Sellita SW300-1. That's a COSC certified movement with 56 hours of power, 25 joules, and 28,800 VPH. This is accurate to -4 to +6 seconds per day. Now, because this is in titanium, it has a darker, more muted down aesthetic to it, and it's all very Adrian, isn't it? It's very discreet, and it just kind of, it suits his personality, really. Now, the bracelet on this watch is really nice. It's a 3-link bracelet with a deployant clasp at the bottom just here. You have micro adjustments, so you can just push that little bit in and slide it up and down like so. And also, it has a quick release system with the bracelet, so it's super, super easy. Push the two balls together, boop, and that is the bracelet coming off for you. And that allows you to put the other strap on, or cheeky plug here, but Adrian Barker, Bark and Jack, does have, you know, NATO straps. And now we get to the price and the availability, and that's a big snag. A big snag. Let me get onto the price first. So this comes in at £2,150, but not the issue here. I suppose the snag here is this watch that you see in the screen right now will only be available from the 5th to the 12th of February. That is the only, that is the limited window that it appears in, which is kind of mental. So if you want one of them, that will be your only window to get it. And now for my final thoughts on this watch. Well, to be quite frank, guys, I think it's pretty awesome. I think it's pretty killer. I love Christopher Ward. I love Adrian. He is the watch daddy, and he's a good friend of mine. And I think this is a really cool collaboration. I think the fact that watch brands are collaborating with YouTubers in this way is really awesome, because it's recognizing someone that's bringing the community together. And that's essentially what we as YouTubers do. And I think oftentimes it's disregarded how hard videos are to film, videos are to edit, videos are to script, videos are to actually shoot on location. And I think Adrian is someone that's been with us for so long and given us so much entertainment and value that it's no wonder that he knows how to design a pretty incredible watch. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you think of the Bark and Jack Christopher Ward edition. And Adrian, you absolutely nailed this, buddy. Honestly, huge, huge congratulations to you. Thank you guys all for watching and supporting as always. It really, really does mean the world. And I'll see you guys real soon.